If you're unable to download apps on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings. Now from here, just tap on your Apple account, and at the bottom of this page, just tap on Sign Out and sign out of your Apple account. Then wait for a few seconds and come back to this section, then sign back into your Apple account. And check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, just go to the Connections section, then tap on the airplane mode and turn it on. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on the airplane mode icon one more time and turn it off. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then just go back to Settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Now from here, just tap on the eye icon in front of your connected Wi-Fi network. And on this page, you will find the option of Configure DNS. Just tap on it. Now if it is on manual, just select Automatic. Then tap on Save. After you do that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General settings, you will find the option of Date and Time. Just tap on it, and from here just check if the date and time of your iPhone are correct or not. If they are incorrect, just tap on the date and set the date manually from here. And you can do the same with the time. Or you can enable Set Automatically. And after you enable this feature, your iPhone will set the correct date and time according to your region. Most of the time, an incorrect date or time will cause internet issues on your iPhone, which might be issue that you are not able to download apps on your iPhone through the App Store. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then for the next step, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls on your iPhone, then just go back to the main settings page, and this time just tap on Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and from here just tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Tap on Installing Apps. Now if it is on Don't Allow, just select Allow. After you do that, then just go back and tap on App Store Media, Web and Games. From here, just go to the Apps section, and from here you can either select the highest rating or you can select Unrated. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then just go back and disable Content and Privacy Restrictions. And by doing that, you will disable all the parental control settings on your iPhone. After doing that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the App Store, then tap on it. Now on this page, under the mobile data section, just tap on Download Apps. Now if you're downloading apps using mobile data, just select Always Allow. Because sometimes your iPhone might not let you to download apps using the mobile data because you have set a restriction. So just select Always Allow, then go back and enable automatic downloads. And by doing that, you will be able to use your mobile data for downloading apps. Then just go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings, then tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone and this will fix any software related issue. And this is how you can fix cannot download apps on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.